Skip the long cafe lines. I'll show you how to make an ultra refreshing coconut tea jelly that's smoother than your favorite milk tea using just pantry staples. Brew your daily tea extra strong, whether it's black, green, or oolong. That robust flavor will shine through later. While 8 steps, mix 15 grams of clear jelly powder with boiling water in your serving glass. Stir in until completely dissolved. Strain your brewed tea directly into the jelly mixture. Watch how the colors swell together before settling into this beautiful translucent hue. Into the fridge, it goes for 2 hours, transforming into a delicate, quivering jewel. Once set, pour over ice cold coconut milk. The rich creaminess against that clean tea flavor is pure harmony. Gently break up the jelly with your spoon, creating perfect bite-sized pieces that float like edible gems. Each spoonful delivers that magical contrast. The bouncy tea jelly releasing its subtle aroma against the luscious coconut milk. Not too sweet, endlessly customizable, and so much lighter than heavy boba drinks.